Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade ice cream. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and a good quality vanilla extract. Next, make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been in the freezer for at least 12 hours, or ideally 24 hours, to ensure it's completely frozen. Finally, prepare your ice cream base by gently heating the milk and sugar until the sugar fully dissolves, then let it cool. Once your ice cream base is prepared, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator. This step should take at least 4 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it's very cold. A cold base helps the ice cream freeze faster and smoother. After chilling, pour the cold base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Begin churning according to your machine's instructions. This process typically takes between 20 and 30 minutes, resulting in a soft serve consistency. After churning, your ice cream will have a soft, almost liquid consistency, similar to soft serve. To get that firm, scoopable texture, you'll need to transfer it to an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours. For best results, let it freeze overnight. Once it's firm, your homemade ice cream is ready to enjoy. Serve it plain or add your favorite toppings like chocolate sauce, sprinkles, or fresh fruit. For an extra touch, consider adding your favorite mix-ins such as chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or fresh fruit during the last 5 minutes of churning. This ensures they are evenly distributed. To prevent ice crystals and maintain a creamy texture, store your finished ice cream in a shallow, airtight container. And speaking of making life easier, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after your ice cream making adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.